Despite the hundreds of existing peach cultivars used for fresh market, there is continuing need to develop new peach cultivars as the requirements of the industry and preferences of consumers change. Diseases such as bacterial spot and brown rot are creating an extra pressure on breeding programs to incorporate high tolerance or resistance into new high-quality varieties, as the existing cultivars do not have it, and or the chemical spraying does not provide adequate protection during pathogen-favorable years, or new races of existing pathogens that are resistant to active components used in chemical spraying programs emerge. The Clemson University Fresh Market Peach Breeding Program is combining high quality with disease resistance in newly developed peach cultivars by integrating traditional breeding with molecular tools to speed up selection. Traditional breeding approach in combination with marker-assisted parental and seedling selection provides efficient ways of incorporating desired characters into newly developed peach varieties that address industry needs and consumer demands. Peach breeding takes 15 to 20 years from the time the cross is made to releasing the new cultivar. Traditionally, hybrid seedlings have to undergo stratification, approximately 12 weeks at +4 Celsius, before they germinate and overwinter in the greenhouse. They are planted in spring of the following year in the experimental field where they stay for next 5 years. The first fruit is evaluated during the third year after crossing for 2 consecutive years before the first level selection is made. This breeding program generates approximately 3,000 to 4,000 seedlings per year. Field evaluations are mostly done on fruit quality, size, appearance, taste, and texture. The hybrids that are selected are grafted on rootstock and planted in the advanced selection block where they are evaluated for the next 5 years. Only approximately 2.5% of initial hybrid seedlings are selected and moved to the advanced selection level. Currently, we have approximately 600 advanced selections that were selected from more than 25,000 seedlings. Out of these 600, 11 have been included in the replicated trials at several locations across South Carolina. To reduce the time from crossing to first fruiting stage, we treat hybrid seeds with hormones to break the dormancy. This way, seedlings from the current crossing season are already growing in the greenhouse. We apply DNA test for fruit bacterial spot resistance to cull seedlings that are susceptible at the greenhouse stage and plant only those that are predicted to have fruit resistant to bacterial spot in the field. With this approach, we are able to plant the seedling to the field in the fall of the crossing year and reduce the juvenility stage to 2 years. In the next 5 years, the Clemson University Fresh Market Peach Breeding Program is expected to release first varieties with high-quality fruit resistant to bacterial spot. With approximately 18,000 acres of peach and production value at $80 million, South Carolina ranks second nationally behind California in fresh peach production and interstate shipments. Improved varieties conferring high market fruit quality and the ability to withstand harvest and post-harvest handling are essential for continued economic viability of the South Carolina peach industry and supporting crop-producing rural communities. The next generation of peach cultivars with superior horticultural quality and disease resistance will reduce the environmental costs and human health risks associated with pesticide load in the agroecosystem. Consumers will benefit from greater access to a more stable supply of nutritious fruit with superior eating qualities that will translate into increased per capita consumption and improved human health and well-being.